Yo, what's going on, everybody? What's the word? What's the deal? What's happening? Let's go. Let me get the stream on my phone. Yo, what's going on, everybody? What's the word? What's the deal? What's happening? Let's go. We got Tony in the house. Razdo, Lasidi. We got the whole gang, man. Sorry for the echo, man. I think it's playing somewhere else. All right, yeah, there we go. We in the building, man. We in the building. Sorry, yeah, the echo. I have it on my phone, so I just turned the volume down on the phone. But yeah, if you see me looking here, I'm looking at the chat. Yeah, we got the Rock. What's happening? Tony G. Sorry, the Rock, but Tony G was the first one in the house today. Razdol, my brother, what's going on, man? What's going on, man? What's the deal? Let's get to it, yeah? Let's look at some chart work. Let's see what we got going on today. First and foremost, guys. First and you know what you gotta do. You know what you gotta do, guys. Don't have to tell you once, don't have to tell you twice. 15 euro. Now. Go and get access. Now. Because you're missing out. Let me show you a little something that we did today. Right? We're doing a lot of analysis, all right? We had a beautiful analysis on Euro USD, guys. Check it out. Let's take a look at this analysis, yeah? This analysis was French kiss. Bon work, this is what we look like on the daily point of view. We have our notes. We're waiting for the daily time frame to close. We're in a clear uptrend. We are targeting this area. Easy, right? Okay, now let's take another look at the 4-hour time frame just to give it you guys a little bit of insight on what happened next. As you can see on the 4-hour time frame, we got a little bit more details with the storyline. So this was the daily time frame. This was the 4-hour time frame. Break of structure, Fibonacci retest, waiting for price to retrace so we can take it to the top. And finally today, guys, like this is 2 days ago, by the way. So today, 4 hours ago, our target finally got hit. And this was a nice 1:3.3%. That's just one of many trades that we sent out here inside of the market analysis section. We have one for gold, have one for USD ZAR, GBP AUD, USD JPY. Man, the list goes on and on and on. But guys, 15 euro, you got access to all this. And trust me, you won't regret it. And if you do regret it, there's a problem. And the problem's not me, it's you. So yeah, that's what's been happening the last couple of hours. I had a trade on gold, guys. I had a trade on gold. Disappointed, to say the least. The reason why I'm disappointed, as you can see, I even shared this setup, by the way, guys. I shared the setup in trade alerts for gold. Yeah. So don't think I'm capping. Yeah. I was going for sells on gold earlier on today. And yeah. Unfortunately, if this thing loads. So that's Euro USD. Trade alerts. Sorry, market analysis. Let's open up XAU USD 3 hours ago. Yeah. I had a nice analysis on gold. I'm expecting it to come up here to retest so we can sell it to the downside, right? So we can sell it to the downside. This is on the 5 minute time frame. And look what happened now, guys. So literally, we missed our entry by like a couple pips. Literally a couple of pips, man. Yeah. And our target got hit. This is a 1:3. Now it could have been a 1:4. But yeah, I just missed it by a little bit, a few pips. So I need to send an update to the members, let them know, cancel that. And now we're going to look for more opportunities during the week. So yeah, we missed out by just a few pips, which is sad, but it is what it is. Yeah. As you can see here, we've got some alerts. Stocks are flat right now, so nothing we can do about that. We've got news on the 26th, which is tomorrow. Then news again, 27th, core PCI, which is Friday. Then Monday, Fed speech. So yeah, we missed out this on XAU USD. But let's take a look at other trades we're looking at. Got involved in USD JPY on the lower time frame. I believe it was on the 5 minute time frame. No, it was the 3 minute time frame. So let's go to 3 minute time frame. Yeah. So on the 3 minute time frame, caught a nice trade. Price broke structure, made a lower low, came back to retest these areas. Then it made a new lower low, so that's a lower high. Sniped in, sniper out. 1:2.45, which ain't too bad. It's not too bad at all, if you ask me. It's not bad at all. So now in the 1 hour time frame, it's clearly just pushing towards the upside, pushing P heavy to the upside. So now we just play the waiting game, see what the 4 hour is saying. Pushing P, pushing P. Not much we can do with this, but just wait around, wait around. AUD USD, we're bearish now. So let's see what happens next with this. We're bearish on AUD USD. Currently just sticking around a few minutes. See what happens next. We had a nice buy last week. We had a break. We had a retest. Then price literally boom. FOMC. It pushed us to the limit. Pushed us to the edge. Pushed us to the finish line. US 30 got some sells on the 3 minutes. Same thing as USD JPY. Got some sells around 3 o'clock. Lower low, lower high. Boom. Price is still dropping, but it's one of them ones. We're in and we are out. In and out. So this was at 3 o'clock. What time did USD JPY sell at? 1 o'clock. So yeah, that's that. GBP JPY. We had buys that didn't get triggered from the other day. I was expecting price to sell to the downside and push, but this is no longer valid, guys. As you can see, it's no longer valid, so it's gotta go. It's gotta go. We need to reanalyze and come back. I am going to keep this zone here because it is a nice demand zone. It's a very nice demand zone. So yeah, we keep that on the charts and we keep the supply zone. So yeah, that's that. Yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Let's take a look at DXY. DXY is currently bullish. bullish all around. I see a nice supply, nice demand zone down here. So we'll see. 4 hour. So yeah, that's what I see on the 4 hour time frame. Let's jump into one. Currently just playing here, playing around. So we see what happens during the week. There's nothing more I can add to this, so I'm not going to force it. But overall, I am bearish on the DXY. So this is my view on the DXY right now, guys. As you can see, we're clearly pushing down, pushing down, pushing down, pushing down, pushing down. So at some point, we will hit the X, which is down here. Let me know your thoughts. Are you guys on the same page, or are you guys seeing something else with the DXY? Let me know, man. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Or don't let me know. It's fine by me. It's totally fine by me if you don't let me know too. Looks on point. Let's go. Let's go, baby. So yeah, I got like a camera trying to see if it works. So it's like a wireless, boom, a wireless thing. So let me see if it works. It connects to like a selfie stick. Come on. Connect, baby. Yeah. Some reason it's not connecting. Fuck it. Anyways. Yeah, US 30 went crazy today, man. It went crazy. So if price breaks above the trend line, would you invalidate the bearish outlook? It depends on the time frame I'm looking at. So if it breaks that trend line, right? Let's see what the daily looks like. Not quite. Like I would still be very bearish. Like if it breaks above this area here, then I'm no longer bearish. I'm gonna change my bias and go bullish. But as you can see on the 4-hour time frame, if it comes up here, this is just an area of supply, like resistance, resistance, resistance. Who knows? You can even just say this is a range. Boom, 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 boom. It all depends on how you look at it. But if price breaks above here, retest, then yeah, I'm changing my mind. We're bullish. Probably going to target here. Then once we finish targeting there, we target here. Then once we finish targeting there, we target the next point, and then the next point. You get where I'm going with this, yeah? And then the next point. Then from there, the next point. Then from there, the next point. And then the next point. And then the final point up there. But yeah, don't always be so caught up like with what you're trying to see next. You get me? So focus on what you're seeing at the moment in time. Otherwise, you're just gonna start doubting yourself. Like I wasn't thinking about what you just asked me, you know. I will only think about that if price does break above. But right now, I'm literally trading what I see. And what I see is that the bears are in town. Like, boom, 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 bang, bang. X marks the spot. That's what I see at this moment in time. So, we'll see what's up. We'll see what's up. We'll see what's up. Don't know why these people keep messaging in the Telegram group saying all that BS, man. You know, talking about they'll teach you how to trade, man. Hell no. I'm the one that's teach you how to trade. You know, I'm the one. I'm the coach. Yeah, don't get too caught up on one time frame. Like, just always jump into the next to see what's happening. And then the next above that, and then above that, and then above that. Because if you're too busy scaled in on one time frame, you really lose you really lose sight of like what's really happening on the bigger picture. So right now, let's just say we're on the weekly, yeah? We're gonna go to a random pair. So let's go to somebody say a random pair real quick. Real quick. Somebody say a random pair. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Quickly. Quickly. Damn. USDJPY. So for example, USDJPY. Currently it is retracing. You see what I'm saying? On the USDJPY it's retracing. I already had this before you even asked me. So look, we have this area of support. We have another area of support. So keep in mind, if you don't go to the weekly, you wouldn't even notice it. So now if you go to the daily, like it's not even a period. This is April 2024. You wouldn't even think, let me go all the way back to December 2023. That support came from December 2023, guys. You get me? December 2023. So now let's just say for it to go into the 4 hour time frame. Like look how far away that is. But this is why you have to always look at the bigger picture first before you even doing anything to get a better idea of what's happening. So from there we knew that this was a support level all the way from December. So it would make sense to see and understand why all of a sudden, price is now bullish. Why do we know this? Because in the weekly time frame, man, we literally made a lower low, lower high, lower low. So now we're pushing P to the upside. We're most likely going to come back and retest some level of supply up here on the weekly time frame. So now if we jump into daily, yeah, we've got a supply zone chilling. So on the daily time frame, we would love to see a break above this area, as you can see. Sorry. We would love to see a nice break above this area. How many things do I have drawn? Yeah. So we would want to see a break above this area. Then afterwards, we want to see price come back. Then we're taking off. And once you take off, we don't really care what happens next. We're just trying to get in and get out. So let's just say, boom, we get in and we get out. 1:3. So from this point on, you go into the 4 hour time frame and you wait for a 4 hour setup, guys. You wait patiently. When I say patiently, I really do mean patiently for a 4 hour point, you know. So if I just adjust this here, I would rather wait for price to just come down a little bit to this supply zone and then full speed ahead. Full speed ahead to the top. I'm giving you guys free smoke here, man. Giving you guys free smoke and free game. The least you can do is click on the link in description and pay 15 euro. That's the least you guys can do. Right now. I know y'all got the money in your bank account. Help a brother out, man. Jokes before you guys think I'm serious. But I am serious about you guys joining the academy though. It will be very, very beneficial to all of you. You get me? Very beneficial. We have a while in the what's going on, man? Yeah, 4 hour equal lows, mad patience. Does that big bullish engulfing candle have any effect on the overall trend? Like I said, it all depends on the time frame. Whatever time frame you're looking at is a time frame that matters. You know? So the time frame you're on tells you the story of what you see. It literally tells you the story of what you see. You get me? So this is the 15-minute. Like the 15-minute, there's too many candles, man. Way too many candles for my liking. So for example, on the 15-minute, yeah, right now, this could be an area of supply. So one of two things can happen. You can either sell it to the downside, or there's a high chance price might break above, retest and go. You see what I'm saying? It all depends on the time frame you're on. Your current time frame will tell you your current story. You get me? So yeah. Like say USD, you really let me down today, man. I'm just disappointed, man. I thought, oh, okay. Looks like we got a little something, something. Let's see what it's saying now. We'll see what XAU USD is saying now. But yeah, that's that right now. So see, I even left a little note, but price is gone though. GBP CAD. GBP. Shush. Oh, look at that. I already know in the 1 hour we had a clear break, clear retest. Clear as day. Amazing. Whoa. What does that look like on the 4 hour though? Okay. Interesting. So I'm going to look for a demand zone. That's the first thing I do. I see my demand zone. I see my supply zone. Now we play the game of probabilities. What's the probability of price going down here versus the probability of price going up here? If the probability is higher that it's going to go down here, then we're going to start to look for sells. So how do we know we look for sells? Well, easy. We look for break of structures. We look for lower lows, lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low. So we're expecting something like this to happen next. Free smoke. So yeah, that's that. Is there any questions you guys got in mind before we might wrap it up early right now since nobody's saying nothing? Not gonna hold y'all hostage. You know, not gonna hold y'all hostage. I have a call anyway in a few minutes. So let me know if you guys have any questions. If not, you will see me Friday. 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 You can translate it all the way to any time frame, but I'm not going into 1 minute, man. Ain't no way. That's way too many candles, fam. Way too many candles. If you want me to go into 1 minute, here's what you need to do. At your command, I'll do everything. But for me to go into a 1 minute unprovoked, hell no. The lowest I'll do for you, my guy, is 5 minutes. One minute you're asking for high blood pressure. For example, before I let y'all go, on the 1 hour time frame, we had a lower low, lower high. We knew that price was going to, you know, have a chance of reversing around here. Yeah. If you knew what you knew, that price is going to most likely reverse around here. All you're looking for is a break and a retest. So this would have been a perfect at 3 o'clock. That would have been perfect to catch a sell to the downside, and ride it. This would be pushing P. And your stop loss would be a bit higher than this, like 10 pip, something like that. And this is just looking at it on the 5 minute. So now let's jump into 15. Clean. Break, retest, clean. Clean, 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 clean. Doesn't get no cleaner than that, man. 30 minutes. Clean. Lightning McClean, man. Then obviously 1 hour time frame. You could have just caught that retest, and who knows? This could have taken you all the way down. 1:13. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I'll give you guys free smoke though. I'll give you guys a free smoke. There's a high chance price could sell right now. Let's go into 15. High chance price could sell right now. We're trying to catch a nice one here. I'll adjust my stop loss just slightly above here. There you go. Tight, 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 tight sheet. But yeah, unless you guys don't have any further questions, I'll give you guys 2 more minutes. Because there's no point in me just sitting talking to myself, man. We've taken a look at gold, we've looked at GJ, we've looked at US 30, we've looked at GBP CAD, we looked at USD JPY. We've literally looked at a lot of pairs today. And it's only been 37 minutes. But if you want more, like if you want to know more about what we're doing and all that kind of stuff, obviously I'm just here to stream, but at the end of the day there's a whole lot more to it that we can talk about and discover, you know. But all I will say is it's gonna cost you a little bit, you know, like 15 euro, and trust me, your trading will elevate to the next point. It's not gonna elevate on a free stream, is what I'm trying to get at here. Like obviously on the streams you can learn something, but you need to invest in your education, guys. Is what I'm trying to, you know, push. Invest in your education and you will, you know, learn a lot. But in the streams, like you're asking me to go into 1 minute, not for free, brothers. You get me? But yeah, I suppose if there's no more questions, there's no more discussions, we will wrap it up early and leave it at that. PSA, tomorrow we're going to be trading unemployment claims. So keep an eye out on the YouTube, yeah? Keep an eye out on the YouTube. Boom. So we're going to drop a video at some point tomorrow, trading unemployment claims. I'm going to show you guys how we do it each and every time on our side.
If you give me 20 seconds, I will guarantee that you...
Not today. So yeah, make sure you lock in, tap in. We're going to drop another video, another banger on this here. And yeah, every week we're going to be dropping videos upon videos upon videos upon videos, guys. So as you can see, we don't miss. The last, since September started, banger, 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 banger. So expect another banger tomorrow at some point. This should be pushing P at some point as well. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. We're not going to force it. But other than that, guys, I'll see you guys on Friday after the aftermath. Peace. And make sure y'all take care of yourself. Don't over trade. Don't over risk. Take it easy with the challenges that you guys are doing. Yeah. Later.